Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports the action button and that iOS is up to date. Once done, open Settings and tap Action button so you can change its shortcut. Make sure you have the Voice Memos app installed and accessible. You will assign voice memos directly. This avoids extra apps. Go slowly through prompts and allow any permission requests for microphone access. This initial setup ensures the button will trigger recording instantly when you finish configuration. Now you assign the action button to voice memos or a custom shortcut. Tap shortcuts if you want a custom flow, or pick the built-in voice memos action to start recording immediately. If you use shortcuts, create a new shortcut that starts a new recording and saves it to your library, then select it. Once assigned, grant microphone permission when prompted and test it from the action button settings to confirm the behavior. If it works here, the button will work system-wide. Finish by testing from the lock screen, and while unlocked, press the action button and watch for the recording waveform and timer. Then open Voice Memos to verify the file saved correctly. Make sure naming and folder choices in shortcuts are correct. If it didn't trigger, reboot your iPhone and revisit Settings Privacy Microphone to confirm permission. If problems persist, recreate the shortcut rather than editing it. That often clears hidden errors and restores the expected action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.